Welcome to the Walkerscott Power BI Profit and Loss Report Overview. This is a profit and loss report we have designed for a corporate business with multiple divisions to give them a view of their profit and loss from an overview right through down to the detailed level in the last pages. This is a full 6-page report. We have a consistent style and theme around the report that we have the filters down the left-hand side. We have the cards across the top to give them their high-level numbers, and then we have the trending graphs in the detail here. We also have the ability, obviously, with any of the graphs, if we want to click on a division, we can drill down through and get the performance of that particular division. As I roll through the report, this is the very high-level overview. We go down to the next level of detail. So we're talking now about month-to-date and year-to-date, very traditional financial accounting type terms. And it also brings in the budget into play. But this is, again, at an aggregated level. So we're just talking total expenses. We've just gone down to total and general and admin and operating expenses. And we've also added a nice graph here to give a trend line through how the business is performing throughout the year. If we keep on scrolling through to the next page, we get a next level of detail. So now we're going through to a more detailed level for the report, both in accounts. So you can see we're broken down into the GL codes, and we've also gone right across for a full 12 months. You can see if we scroll across for these to get the full 12 months picture. And again, with actual sales and a percentage of sales there. As we scroll through again, we then go through and look into a more detailed of the sales, general and administrative section of the chart of accounts. Again, we've followed the same style, so it's very easy to navigate for the user. We can obviously at any stage go and choose things like the display unit. We can change that on the fly. It'll just change it for that particular page, and then you can change that back, or if you go to another page, it'll still be in the same format. So these are all page filters. It gives a lovely overview for the people. Obviously, by divisions, you can see the performance in sales, general and administration around that particular division. And obviously, this trending graph's obviously a key thing in the financial world around seeing how expenses are tracking and whether they're rising or falling. We scroll across to the next page, and again, we're going that next level of detail. We're going month to date and year to date on for our sales, general and administrative. We're bringing in budgets again and talking about last year's actuals and last year's budgets to give good comparative figures. And again, we're going down to that next level of detail. So within their general administrative, what are their actual expenses? Scrolling onto the last page, and then we're going back to the absolute most detail again for this. This is still in the sales, general and administration. It's giving the full 12 months picture. We're getting full actuals and full budget picture. Of course, any of these grids can be exported to Excel for further investigation, but it gives them a very good picture of their business from overview right down to full detail. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy our profit and loss.